In this short tutorial, I will show you how to remove your YouTube channel from TikTok. It's important to keep your social media profiles up to date, so if you no longer want your YouTube channel linked to your TikTok account, follow these simple steps. To get started, open up the TikTok app, and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the Edit Profile button. And then tap where it says YouTube. Now it will give you the option to unlink your YouTube channel from TikTok. Simply tap on it. Now you've successfully unlinked your YouTube channel from TikTok. This means that any previous connections or integrations between the two platforms will be removed. It's a simple way to keep your social media accounts separated. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.